Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this week's Business Review, we take a look at one of Jamaica's most trusted names in retail, Master Mac Supermarket. Here is Yannick Williams.
36 years ago, fresh out of high school, Raymond McMaster decided to take a leap of faith to start his own business.
So in 1989, we started in a small store. Just predominantly was meats, selling meats. And then I met my wife like the year after. And we joined forces, and she's coming from a business background too as well. And we joined forces, and then we formed a company under the name of C&M Meats. C as in Chin, M for McMaster. And after a few years under that brand, we started another company which was Master Mac. And Master Mac, all of them does the same thing. Predominantly meat. We venture off into grocery, we expand the product line.
That modest start would later grow into one of Jamaica's most trusted names in retail, Master Mac Supermarket.
Our first location outside of downtown was actually Portmore. And we had another wholesale, and then we went to Old Harbour. And overall, the expansion just keep happening.
Back then, there were no grand investors, no business loans, no large facilities, just a vision, a name, and an unwavering belief in hard work.
We start up with actually little to no money. We start up with just a name. We actually start, and everybody gave us a helping hand in starting. This person work, he gave us a bill, one day he will collect. And most of it was like that. And then when we're ready to stock the store, we also got products on credit. And the journey started from that.
So you would say it's your family name that?
Pretty much.
From a single location, the company has grown tremendously, now boasting multiple branches across the island.
This is our newest supermarket, and it's actually the largest supermarket we have within the chain. And I think the main difference with this store as to the others, apart from the size, is that we'll be offering other services that the other ones don't offer. Like, for instance, a bakery, a deli, and stuff like that. So the other stores don't offer that, and we're carrying that. Also, the product listing here, we're carrying a wider variety of product, mainly because of the demographic of the location.
Despite their impressive growth, the CEO is quick to note that the journey was never easy.
Human resources is so difficult now to get good ones to have in a business. And we try and express to them that don't believe you're just working for the company. Look at it like you're a partner of the brand.
Today, Master Mac Supermarket employs over 700 people, offering a modern shopping experience while staying true to its community roots. Looking ahead, the company's long-term goal is to ensure the business remains in the family.
Just a handover, just to know when it's right, when the kids are ready, and for the button to change hands. And that is what we're focusing on now, the transitioning stage.
I'm Yannick Williams with your Business Review.